for whatever reason it wants to do an update, let me know. Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Waiting on the TikTok studio. It's just sitting here now. Can you guys still hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yay!
Yes, sir.
Yay!
YouTube is up, Coach.
Yay!
You heard me about YouTube?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, my TikTok studio is just sitting here stuck at downloading. It's deciding to not do anything now. Come on, man. I was all excited, got the new system, ready to go. I click go and
Which is up.
thank you. Okay, I don't know what it's doing. It's starting over. Anyways, good morning, everybody. Thank you all for being here on this beautiful day. Monday, we're ready to rock and roll. Did everybody get enough sleep over the weekend? Rested up? Did all the training and the things?
Yes, sir. That gold workshop was amazing.
Thank
as
you.
always.
Thank you. And what was that workshop over?
It was over the 2-minute
Scalping.
EWO. Oh, no, I wasn't talking about the workshop. I'm sorry. I was talking about David's gold training.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But the workshop was great too.
Yeah, the workshop was scalping.
And who put
David's
that?
was
And who
the
did
2-minute.
that?
Ange,
That's right. And
our
who?
moderator
And
extraordinaire.
And who did the Saturday training?
David,
And
our
what
other
did
training moderator.
we go over?
2-minute EWO strategy.
That's right. So this weekend, you guys got both 2-minute EWO and scalping.
Scalpage.
So just a great weekend of information. If you guys weren't a part of that, I don't know what you were doing. But don't worry. If you're a VIP Gold member, everything is recorded for you. We got you covered. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you. Thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. I'll take it. Yay.
Mimi.
Yeah, Mimi. Mm.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang.
Open.
Bang, bang. All right, here we go. 1 second. We should be going live on TikTok in just a moment. Should be coming up now, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I'm streaming from the truck today, which means, moderators, I have no ability. I'm not able to view all the 8 million different things coming out. So please do me a favor, monitor all of those feeds. That would be great. In the no? Don't be calling me. Can't give you stock tip advice. I'm live.
Recording in progress.
Thank you. All right. Thank you. Good morning. Appreciate all of you. We get everybody in there. Mark, by the way, is over there getting it done in the futures. He trains every day now from 8:30 to 4 o'clock. Futures. So if you guys are futures members, all that's happening. Stop it.
So does that mean he's presently trading in the futures?
He could be doing both. All right, something's going on with the live. I don't see what is going on. Bear with me. My live feed is. Does anybody see me live on TikTok?
I do, Coach. But it keeps pausing.
Yeah, I don't know what is going on with this. Internet's rolling through fine. Live quality. Yeah, obviously.
Hey, Coach, it's intermittent. Something's going on there.
Yep, copy that. Working on it now. Sorry, gang, we're doing this live. Bear with me. Nobody beat the old man up. I see what might be going on. I'm streaming at a super high quality. It might be freaking it out.
While Coach is doing that, just want everybody to be aware that a lot of people have the misconception that you have to invest tons of money to make any money. So Mark over in Futures today, he's been demonstrating how to do it with one micro contract. And many times in here, we talk about you don't really need a lot of money. You can do shares and make money in the same way. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me, nobody beat me up. I'm going to, how is it now on TikTok? If this doesn't work, I'm going to kill it and reduce the stream size. Let me know right away on TikTok.
You just rose up, Coach.
Thank you. That let me know right there. Give me 1 second, gang. Bear with me. Hold on, gang. Doing some quick changes. All right, let's try it now. Hold on. Trying it one more time. Let's see. Bear with me. We're working out the kinks here, man, live. TikTok should be coming back up. We've got a lot of earnings coming out this week, just so you guys know. I've posted them in all the channels. Everybody be aware of earnings. Lots of good stuff going on. Bitcoin getting ready to hit 100K again. So congratulations to everybody that listened and was able to scoop it up at 75K. Glorious. Congratulations on everybody who listened on Tesla. We were scooping it up at 214, 215. It's now closing in on 300. Nice job. That was 3 weeks ago, by the way. Not bad. Nice 35, 40% move if you listened to me 3 weeks ago, right? All right, everybody on TikTok, do me a favor. Does it look okay now?
Looks good.
Much better, Coach.
Thank you. All right, awesome. Thank you. Yeah, it was just, it was set too high of a stream because when I originally did the testing, I did it out of my house with fiber, not inside of here using the Starlink. Apple right now already getting a nice run. You can see here if you look at your 2-minute EWO on Apple, it's looking real nice. I don't know if I'm going to be yeah, you guys probably won't have to see. You guys on Zoom, you're all right not seeing the old man's ugly face, right? Okay, good. Much better quality, no lag. All right, awesome. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate you.
Tesla's
Thank you.
Tesla's climbing new high.
Thank you.
New high pre-market, I should say.
Thank you. We got a lot of sales going on. Bruno, we're in here. You want to run down our sales real quick and discuss a little bit about what they get with our services so I can save my voice? If not, I will do it.
Yep. So right now we have Diamond membership, 10,000 with 2 installment payments of 5,000 each. So over the course of 2 months, so 5,000 this month, 5,000 next month. That is all of our services that we have, the VIP Gold, all bundled into one, plus any future services that we might roll out. You'll have first access to that. We have a VIP Gold Complete Lifetime for 8,000 with also 2 installments of 4,000 each month for 2 months. And then you are done and will be locked into VIP Gold Complete. VIP Lifetime 4K with 2 installments of 2K for 2 months. So for 4,000, you'll get our VIP access. That includes our hot stock picks, pre-markets, trading ideas, and our workshop classes and our indicators, which by the way is included also with the Diamond. We have indicators for Diamond, VIP, futures, crypto as well. And we have also buy 6 months of VIP Gold Complete. So that's VIP and Gold for $2,800. Again, you get the indicators and all the access that I just mentioned with pre-markets, hot stock picks. As early as 4 a.m. we get in there into the room. And crypto membership, still $500 for the first year and then renews at its regular rate. So if you like or are interested in trading crypto, sign up, americandreamtrading.com. And if you need any help with any of our services or would like to know what each one gets, if that's not enough for you, we also have a channel on the Discord, membership information. It breaks it down. Each tier or each membership level will give you access. It will show you what you have access to. And last but not least, we have a $1,000 giveaway. So links should be posted here momentarily in all the social medias. If you'd like to enter a chance to win $1,000, no strings attached. All you have to do is click a link that's going to be posted here shortly. Visit the site and click all the things. And so May will be we're running it for 33 days, and then we'll have the winner drawn out sometime in the first week of June. And that's it. That's a mouthful.
Yeah, it is. That's a lot. Do you want to let them know now what each member service is and what they get, or did you already go over that? I'm sorry, I was tweaking my TikTok.
Yeah, I just went through the breakdown of each, but I can do it again.
Yep. Oh, perfect. Okay, thank you. Sorry, I'm working with TikTok. It's giving me a little bit of grief.
Got
it. Give me 1 second. One second, gang. Unfortunately, it doesn't let me make these changes on the fly. I have to kill the live, make the changes, come back. So hold on 1 second. This will be the last time I'll attempt this, just so I don't interrupt the rest of our group. 1 more second, gang. Sorry about this. Using a new system in here. Let's try this. I'm going to put in a delay too, so it doesn't lag them out. There'll be a 5-second delay on the system. Run it like this just to get this up and running. Okay, let's try it now. All right. One more time. We'll let that run. Moderators, just let me know. Let me pull up my screens here. Should be good to go now. I put in a 5-second delay, downgraded it from 1080 to 720 down to 480. Should be okay. I hope. If not, I will tweak and tune it after we get done with our busy rush hour. I just don't want to interrupt us from our 9:30 to 10 o'clock session. Everybody, again, thank you so much for being here. Congratulations to all my new Diamond members. Where are my Diamond members? Everybody open your mics and say good morning. We sold so many Diamond memberships.
Good morning.
Morning, Coach.
Morning. Hi, Daddy.
Good morning.
Yes.
Thanks, buddy.
Yes. Thank you
Thank
all.
you very much.
Yes, you're very welcome. Thank you for being here. By the way, did you guys enjoy all the weekend stuff that you got with your Diamond membership? We had workshop classes, we had weekend training, all of that was included with your Diamond membership.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
love it.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. David and Ange doing such a great job on that training. We are here live 3 times a day. By the way, I'm here every day from 9 to 11, trading stocks, options, sometimes futures. So I'm here every day, 9 to 11. And then Mark is here in the afternoon every day from 2 to 4 o'clock, trading just futures. And then we have our aftermarket show every day at 5 o'clock, where we will revisit the day, go over some additional training, and talk about some of the stocks and things that happen throughout the day with a large panel over there. So again, thank all of you. We've got a couple of new services that are coming in. We've got our TradingView Indicators 3.0. So if you guys see my screens with TradingView, you guys will kind of get a little heads up and see what it looks like. We have not released it globally yet. So if the moderators' TradingView indicators look different than yours, that's because we're testing the new hotness. So don't freak out. We haven't rolled out 3.0 to you yet. Next thing we're looking forward to doing is our brand new American Dream Trading Television Network, so ADT TV. That's going to be coming soon. That will be a diamond/platinum. I haven't figured out exactly how to package this yet. The reason I say diamond is because guess what? If you're a diamond member, you get access to all of our memberships. So anything I roll out, platinums, futures VIP, VIP gold, everything that I roll out, you guys will get all access all the time, including the mentorship program. The mentorship program alone is $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year. You guys will also be able to take advantage of with the Diamond membership. All of you new Diamond members, make sure you guys go over and look at all the old training material. You have access now to all the VIP Gold section. That is everything we have ever done has been recorded for all of you. That means you guys have thousands of hours of training information that you just unlocked with Diamond. Thousands. Get over there. Check it out. Today I am set up in this account to do futures trading. So if you guys hear me talking about SPY or ES, so if you guys see ES on my screen, that will be me trading SPY and ES. Hey, happy birthday, Frankie. Happy 60th. Nice job. Good job. Happy birthday. Congratulations to some of our members. Some of our members last week, by the way, made a couple million. I have one member who I believe made over $2 million last week. One day he did like $1.2 million in a single trading session. That's just incredible. Some of our members now, right, now that they've gotten the training and are starting to really now just increase position sizes, are just going astronomical with their trading. I absolutely love hearing that. And I told you guys every day, it's not some sales tactic that Once you get this down, right? Once you understand what we're doing, the strategies, the risk management, this will completely change your life, right? This will completely change your life. Now, if you guys end up giving up on yourselves, you end up just quitting, you blow up your accounts, you don't listen at all, there's nothing I can do for you. You're just going to do what you're going to do, right? If you've been in 6 other Discord groups with all these little kids and all the stuff that you guys have done before, and then you drag that garbage over to here, nothing I can do for you, right? I need you to come into this room, though, with an empty cup. Okay, we have retired over 200 members in our community here. We have made over $200 million in profits at American Dream Trading for our community. Don't come out with me for receipts, but I know most of them. I've got them. I've got screenshots. I've got people in here literally making $1 million a day. So don't be like, there's no way you guys can be going towards $1 billion. We are. We are. I've got some members that have made over $30 million. 2 of them. I got another member that's made over $22 million. Another member over $15 million. Another member right now that's doing millions a month. Trust me, it adds up really fast. And that is not including the 10,000 plus members that are just regular members in the room making money every day, right? So don't go freaking out. I know you guys have never heard numbers like this, right? There's nowhere on the internet, YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn. No one has ever done what we have done ever. And we've been here for 2 years and 9 months in the middle of this week. Live every day, every single day, getting it done. I want you guys, we got 1 minute. I want you guys to continue with what we talked about, right? Small position sizes, fewer trades. If you're in my futures group and or VIP, I told you guys 1 to 5 trades for the next 2 weeks. Small position size and journal, right? So some of those are our rules anyways. You can't even follow the basic rules. I don't know why I'm struggling. I do. Right? You should already know that. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of total account value in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, take the next month off. If you're new to trading, paper trading, only simulate trading. Don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Let these things develop. Only wait for A-plus setups. Make sure you guys journal and legal real quick, 20 seconds of the bell. American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Everybody, let's have an amazing day. Appreciate everybody being here. Let's kick some butt. Moderators, you guys now have control of all of the rooms. Let's do it. It's 9:30. Now remember, SPY and everything ran up in the pre-market, so watch for a pullback at the open, right? Okay, good. That would be your pre-market sell-off. Oh, I got notifications turned on.
Tesla and Microsoft to the downside.
Thank you. I got to go in and tweak and tune this whole thing now. Oh, boy. Give me 1 second. I've got to make a slight change or this will drive me bananas. Okay, no more notifications when I'm trying to enter a trade. That'd be great. All right, well, SPY just continued to run while I was making the stupid adjustments. I'm over here losing money on this trade. Not too
Google
good.
and Nvidia in your high.
Thank you. I don't know why these orders are set up wrong. We'll give this a minute. Thank you, thank you. Let's try to catch those 2-minute EWOs as well, ladies and gentlemen, right? When they're running. Try to catch it on that first indicator. Apple still trying to find its legs over there. SPY had a bit of a pop, staying up tall. I tried to short it at the open, and then I'm over here dinking with the settings, costing me quite a bit of money. Getting out of that trade.
This slide's on a double top situation.
Thank you.
Yeah, not double top, double bottom situation, kind of.
Thank you. Apple still pulling back. Just be patient, everybody. Remember, the first 3 to 8 minutes is the most volatile time of the day. Must be patient.
Yeah.
Which I was
Meta
not.
and Microsoft are still pulling.
Thank you.
Amazon big pull 2 minute.
Thank you. Yeah, remember, if everything ran up in the pre-market, what does it typically want to do at the open, right?
Pull.
Yep, there we go. Finally getting this pull.
Yeah, Coach, ES bounced off of 55.70.
Thank you. There's that pullback that I was looking for. Just took a little bit longer than anticipated. Typically, it pulls right at the open and stays down for a little bit till it starts to find support. There we go. Nice pull. There we go. That's a beauty. That's a beauty, right? Nice. Just making back some of that L that I took this morning from it actually trying to drive up instead of having this beautiful pullback, which is what I was anticipating right at the open that we talk about every day here, right? Correctamundo. Still pulling back here on SPY and ES futures. Nice trade. Taking one off. Still holding 2. Looking good. Still nice, beautiful pullback. Getting rid of one more. We're on this 55. Beautiful. See if it's got more to give. Nice setup. At least I made back half of what I did there right at the open. Still down 600, but it is what it is. Trade the trades, right? Get all freaked out on me. Trade the trades. I've got support sitting around this 551 on SPY, so please be careful right there at that level. I'll take that last one there. If this pulls below that, I will re-enter the trade as a short, but I'm looking for a bounce right here. I'm being cautious around this 551 level. By the way, Diamond members, don't forget, coming up soon, you guys will be able to watch us trade live. It's not for training, but you guys will actually get to watch us, some of our millionaires inside of this room, right? And mentors trading live, not training, just trading, so you guys can see what it looks like.
This slide totally reversed, and when you hide there.
There you go. Did everybody watch what I said on that 551 bounce on SPY?
Yep.
Very nice.
Ooh, Tesla shows violence. Look at that thing.
I don't know what it's doing. Let me look.
It went all the way up, new high, and way right back to VWAP right away.
Yeah, I see it. All it did was double topped up there. Can you guys see the double top?
Coach, the green 1 minute is disappearing on ES.
Thank you. Not worried about the 1 minute though, but thank you. Yeah, I'm looking for it to break 551 to short it to the downside. If you guys are on ES, that's 55.54. See it? Other than that, no touchy.
Thank you, mentor.
Yep, nice job. Stay in there, JP. Focus. Got this nice channel right here, which is 551.70 on the top, 551 on the bottom for SPY. For
NVIDIA is still pulling.
Thank you. For ES, it's 55.62-ish to 55.54. Yep, still looking for this to make a move. I will short it below this area and I'll long it above the other. Right there's the setup. TikTok is it's going in and out. Okay, thank you, Mark. I was just going to ask on TikTok. Could be it's probably just the internet service. I'm not sure why it's struggling today. Normally sitting in the spot, it's pretty good, but thank you. All right, looking right here. Let's see if this can get a pop. I can see that Tesla starting to rip again, staying up nice and tall. Tesla, you're looking for that 292.50 break.
Apple gap down to the 200 and is bouncing.
Thank you.
TSLL bounced a double top from pre-market.
Thank you. You got a huge level on Apple at 209. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
All right, SPY starting to make a move to the upside. If Apple continues to drive up here, you should see SPY pop. But I don't like it yet at all.
I have a big, an old line up there for 552.20.
552.20. Yeah, good call because that's where it just stopped.
Yep.
Good job. You're so smart.
Oh,
And
thank
as of
you.
Right now, we should have support at 551. So yeah, that's the channel.
Yep, still waiting. Like I said on ES, you guys are at 55.62.50-ish is what I've got marked. I can actually move this a little bit. It's technically 55.63. So that's 55.63 on ES.
Google and NVIDIA is still to the downside.
Thank you. Here we go. Nice, beautiful pull over here on SPY. I think I'm going to get in a
Thank you
little
for your
bit.
voice, coach.
Yes, good job. I'm going to try to get a little dab. Whoa, I was going to say a little dab will do you, but it bounced. Come on. Staying in this crazy zone.
It's moody this morning.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not touching it yet.
There we go. Stop with these pop-ups. Get out of my life. All right, I've got my stops in place in case it decides to rip through there. Went. Just broke through my 55.63 level. Is it going to stay? Minute. Nice. Getting a nice push. I don't know if in the small account. Still running upside. Beautiful. Look at that push, right? Isn't that what we were waiting for? ES 55.63 over on SPY, that 552.20 as Christina called out, right?
Yep, and I have another line at 552.60.
Good job.
Not 60. Not close enough.
Thank you. Look at Apple bounce. Remember, guys, I told you, right, that 209 is a major level on Apple. Look at the bounce. Good job. Nice. Still moving up nicely over here on SPY. Anybody in that SPY with me?
Yes,
am.
me.
Thank you.
IWM making a really nice run to the upside.
Thank you. Whole market getting a nice pop. Look at Apple. Did you guys hear me on Apple on that 209, right? Good job. Love it when a plan comes together, am I right? Good stuff.
Right.
Love what you guys are doing. Look at SPY just ripping here. Getting just a little dab will do you right there. Going small, see if we can keep momentum. Apple, beautiful now over there. First 2-minute EWO has been triggered on Apple. First one. SPY still set up. What do we have for the next resistance level on SPY, ladies and gentlemen?
553.
Thank you.
Round number. I mean, if you look at it, it just touched it, it kind of pulled back.
Yeah. See it. Good job. Who got
I don't
that
have anything
break?
till 5:54. I don't know why, but
Thank you. Who got
5:54
that
is fine.
break and went long with us? Anybody?
I did.
I
Thank
did.
you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank
And
Very
you.
good, coach.
Nice
Small
job.
position.
That was beautiful, right? I like the way you guys are thinking. Bunch of geniuses. Good job. Nice little run there. Look at this pop. Look at Apple. I told you guys, right? If it runs up in the pre-market, look for a pullback. That's everybody just making their money from the day before, right? Pulls back, sells off. They collect all their money, find support. Boom, bang. New high a day across the board, right? Isn't that what we train you on every single day in this room?
Every day.
Every day. Without
Every day.
fail.
Every day, coach.
Thank you. Every
And
day?
weekends too.
Did you say every day?
Every day.
Every day. Getting it
Weekends
done.
too.
Getting it done.
Well, there was that one day you remember a while back.
Yeah, just that one day.
Just that one day.
Yeah, we trained it that one day. Still looking good. Still staying up tall. I'll protect the knife drop just in case.
Oh, Tesla new high.
There it goes. Otherwise, let it work. Let it go. Let it do its thing. Don't be playing with it. Let it go. A+ setup. You had an A+ setup. Now let it run. Leave it alone, right? Thank you. Set your stop in case of a knife drop, right? Don't need to be manipulating this thing. Thank you for all those likes over there. Let's get to 50,000 likes over on our TikTok channel. Thank you. Make sure you guys click share, follow. That'd be great. Thank you for all those gifts over there. Thank you, Dave, for the heart me. SPY continuing to climb. Same with Apple. Got my levels set up in case it decides to knife drop on me. Tesla, new high a day. We're watching for that 292.50 break, yes? Isn't that what I said?
Yep. We keep on tapping, and it finally went through.
Yep. Good job, everybody. Good job. SPY still staying up nice and tall. Who's making money still on SPY? You guys should all be making an absolute killing, crushing its soul, yes? Talk to me. Come on. I know you're.
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, sorry, coach, we're trading.
No problem. You shouldn't be manipulating it. You should let it go. Therefore, you can talk because you ain't playing with it, right? You're not messing around with the mouse. Leave it alone, right? Good job. Good job. SPY, Apple, Tesla all continue to make higher highs. Tesla now up 3.3%. Told you guys that was a fire sale at $215. You guys are now almost at $300 on Tesla in 3 weeks. Congratulations if you listened. If you didn't, welcome to American Dream Trading, and I hope you'll start paying attention a little bit better. Thank you. Moving my stop up, just protecting my trade. Other than that, leaving it alone all day long. Don't care, let it go. 2-minute EWO, full effect over there. 6-star trade on Tesla. Doesn't mean it's going to. That's why I had that stop in place. Beautiful here. That's a nice setup back to this 9. What? Don't forget, we're still running that giant giveaway. Giant giveaway. $1,000 cash at the end of next month. Whoa, look at that pullback on SPY. Woo! Who had your stops? Who had all your stops in place? Tell me.
I did.
I did, but it was painful, coach.
Yeah, oh yeah, gotta have the stops. Man, I'm telling you. Because, and what do I say? Stops are there to protect you from knife drops, right?
Yeah, the whole market pulled.
Yes, it did. All at the same time. Price must. All right, something's going on. My Weeble's broke. I can't even place an order now. I have no idea. Give me a sec. I got to reload Weeble. I don't know why it broke. Hold on.
My orders have been slow to fill this morning on Weeble.
Yeah, mine just, it won't even attempt to fill. I'm just getting an error now. 1 second. I'm working through it. Almost there. There we go. All right, let's see if I can place an order now. That'd be great, wouldn't it? Listen, if you don't listen to the sound of my voice, you're jacked, right? Did everybody's butt get saved?
Mine did.
Thank you. I was like, man, what? I was
Yeah.
like, did I lose connection?
No, I'm driving and
I
trying
got
to
you.
do everything at once.
No, you're fine. Trust me, there's 400 people in the room. I'm sure someone else could speak up. Still pulling back. Somebody's on the news talking all sorts of smack. It's all right. I told you guys this morning that would happen, though, right?
You said watch the pullback,
Yes.
so I watched the puts. I'm printing.
I was in a straddle.
Oh, good job. 55.63 on ES, back to 552 area on SPY, which before was our critical area. We're going to get a bounce. It's going to be here I'm waiting though. Because if somebody keeps running their mouth on a news service, I want to wait. You saved me, Coach. Good job, Michelle. I see you over there on TikTok. Good. Still waiting. This is why now when I call it a 6-star trade, I always have to have the disclaimer. It doesn't mean it's going to stay there. Of course it's not. It's freaking stocks. But if somebody be like, I thought you said it was a 6-star trade until next Tuesday. Nobody said that. Nobody said that. But Coach, you said it's a 6-star trade until the end of the year every day. What?
I thought 6-star trades mean 6 minutes.
I'm serious. I would get that. That ain't a 6-star trade. I'm calling bullshit on this guy. Stop. Pay attention. Pay attention to the class. Looking for a pullback. Still remember support 552 on SPY. If it's going to bounce, it will be here. Waiting for the A+ setup. Well, how about now, Coach? Wrong. Wait right now, Coach. Wrong. But Coach, it looks like it's still going down. Wrong.
But
I'm just
I'm
just gonna do what you do, Coach.
Yeah, I'm just going to follow trades. Don't do that either. Wrong.
So you is silly as ever, bro.
News hitting
I already
the
know it.
news hitting Portugal, Spain, and France all out of electrical power.
Oh, there you go. Wow.
The whole countries?
Wow.
Like all
The
of it?
whole countries that they just announced it.
Wow.
What happened?
No idea. Makes you wonder
I
about
know they-
manipulation.
No, I mean, when
China
did you
sent
see
troops
what
into Russia.
No
yesterday.
power. No power in countries.
Three
No power.
countries: Portugal, Spain, and France.
Get back on the bicycle.
This is so weird knowing France because it's all nuclear powered. Just saying.
Still watching here. I'm going to short this right here. Not for you to mirror or mimic my trades.
Yeah, Coach, I had a line drawn at 55.60.
Crap. Just lost one of my devices. All right, thank you. Remind me to set up a better mount in the car for the phone. That'd be great. There's that nice, beautiful pole I was looking for. That's nice. Oh, that's glorious. Look at
No
that.
power in 3 places will do that.
Oh, it will.
Yeah.
There's the 55.55 on ES, Coach.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, no more firepower in this account. I'm going to have to add some on this one. Still looking good here.
Yeah, that's confirmed. No power.
Oh, good. Okay, thank you.
This is the weirdest things.
No power in countries. Who's ever heard of that?
They're trying to use their AI.
It's crazy.
Especially knowing how it's built over there and it's all nuclear powered. So it's like, what?
I know I saw it last night that Russia sent China I think sent
buzzwords.
troops into Russia.
Yeah,
so I don't know if that
watch the buzzwords though. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
You're all right.
I don't know if that
It might be a
make
hiking
difference, but-
issue.
All right, let's see. Is this still going to keep pulling? I will protect the trade just in case. Just in case it spikes and somebody's like, power's back, and then shoom. Always about risk management. Not about making money. It's about risk management. Yes?
Si, senor.
Thank you.
Yes, Coach.
Taking 2 of those off. I just collected 50%. Still in the trade. Oh, no. Oh, my. That's glorious. Woo!
Tesla went that night.
Yep, that's nice. I'll take one more off the table. That is not ice. Still got one runner. Glorious. We made money when it went up. We made money when it went down. We made money when it does anything, right?
You bet those cheeks.
Yep, don't be scared. Don't be scared.
And live it alone. Keep your hands off.
Don't be scared
Yes.
until our power goes out. Oof.
Everybody be cool. There's nothing to see here other than you're making more money than you've ever seen in your lives.
That's green to red, coach, on SPY.
Yes, it is. It's glorious. Oh, do I not have enough firepower here?
Shit, I got volume and stuff over here. I'm not.
You guys all still printing, right?
Hell yes.
Thank you.
Roger, 10
That's your sweet ass, I am.
Thank you.
Just over a minute till shift change, coach.
Thank you. Everybody all right?
I guess I'm looking to see how far it goes below VWAP on ES, coach.
Everybody okay? Still making money? Still super printing? Hand over fist?
Yep.
Good
Just
job.
raise my stop a little bit.
Puts RS.
Good job.
Reversal.
Good job.
First red on the 2 minute on SPY, coach.
Yeah. We're also at green to red. So that's support, right?
Watch for a bounce on the 200 here.
Yep.
Shift change 30 seconds.
Thank you. And we're at close of day yesterday, right? Or Friday. Shift change in 20 seconds. Means volume's going to come in. Good job, everybody. Everybody's making buttloads of cash. Use your stops. Good job. Here it goes. Shift change. Oh, wow. Glorious.
Oh, baby, go.
Yep. That's nice.
50% shift. Thank you, coach.
Yeah, nice job. Look at that.
They're probably going to try to hang on to that 550 a little bit. It might choke there for a little bit.
Yeah. I'm just scalping it quick there. Nice job, everybody. Who's making money? Talk to me.
Still in it.
I am.
Me.
Still in it, coach.
Yes.
Man, coach, you got a dream team of moderators, man. Y'all really changing my life, man. I appreciate it.
We're glad to hear that. Who was that?
It's Darth Trader.
Not Darth Trader. What a beautiful name. I love it. Good. I'm glad we're changing your life. That's our motto, right? Changing lives one trade at a time. Isn't that what we say?
Even has the voice of Darth Trader.
He really does. Good job, everybody. Making that money, making that green. That's what I'm talking about on a Monday.
NVIDIA double bottom.
Sorry.
Bolting.
Trying to change this mount out. Oh, there we go. The Jersey, you have control of the board. I'll be right back. I'll be back.
Watching Apple here. It's at that double bottom. Needs to hold here. If not, lights out. So glorious EWO to the downside on Apple.
Frankly, it's glorious on any of them.
Treasuries are kind of selling off this morning. Wings.
You pointed out that critical 200.
Yeah, just I don't know that it's much of a barrier because SPY doesn't usually doesn't even give a shit about the 200 usually, but it's more. I think it's more the 550 mark. They're going to try to hang on to a little bit, but we'll see how that goes.
I went to some French news to figure out what's going on with the power over there. So it's part of France, south part of France, and Spain and Portugal. You got to know that there is a reactor in France that feed most of Spain and Portugal because we provide for all our neighborhood in Europe. They just don't know the cause yet. It's kind of weird, but they're working on it.
Look like a bounce, huh?
Yeah.
We doing all right? Everybody still all right? I know I walked away for 5 minutes. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Everybody be cool. Nobody got silly. Everybody had stops on everything, right?
Yeah, to profit and wait for next setup.
Good job. Guys are a bunch of geniuses, I can tell you that right now. Geniuses!
All right.
Good job. Stay with it. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, we're on another major area here of resistance. Okay, I like it. This is close. Remember, this is close of day. Friday, right here. Now we're fighting between red and green. Again, wait for that nice A+ setup. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yep.
We'll see if ES drops 10 or 15, coach.
Yep. Nice pullback. Look at that pullback. Me likey lie. Was nice. I took advantage of that quick little pullback. Getting out. Now I'm looking at this key area. This 551. Same exact spot. This is close of day Friday, so it's a major level for us. By the way, on our new TradingView indicators 3.0, it does show all this information, by the way. Do you guys want to get a quick peek of that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me pull that up. You guys keep trading away. A little sneak peek for you. Hold on, let me make the charts a little better. I had it closed. Just so you guys can see what. Looks like. Think you guys are going to appreciate this. I hope you do. We put a ton of work into this. Let me share my screen. Hold on. Get ready. Here it comes. Bam! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my. You guys see this?
Yeah.
We've spent about 300 hours on this one. You guys like it?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
You love it, coach.
Look at it. Shows you all of the market conditions. It even shows you all the stars. How many stars? It gives you all the real-time volume information. So much programming has gone into this. You guys have no idea.
Nice and nice.
That's a lot of candy there.
Now, this SPY is the only one that I've got with these. Plus, I got so many things turned off on here.
I was about to ask you where your ATR is.
Yeah, I've got so much turned off. You guys are going to love it. We've got the stars in real time. Look at show up on the charts. Can you see them? I mean, this thing is ridiculous. There's so many cool things. Anyways, it's coming. We're at the tail end of it.
It's looking good.
Thank you. Team did a great job on that. Working every day. I'm not exaggerating. We probably make 10 to 15 changes a day on that, and we have for months. And I'm not exaggerating at all. Hope you guys like it.
Coach, would I be right in thinking if ES doesn't break this consolidation, it's really to the downside?
Yeah, but this is everything though, right? This 551 on SPY and 5554 on ES. It's all we're waiting for. This is it. It's just sitting in this space.
It is. They're going to see if they can float that 550 for a while, and if they can hold it, they'll probably try to move it back up.
Yep, I agree.
They're just sitting there waiting for anybody else to crap their pants.
Yep, I agree 100%. I'm going to short it below this 200, and I'm going to long it. I'm looking at ES, by the way. And then I'm going to long it here if it can hold above this either 551 for SPY or 5554. But I would wait because this is still downside here, especially with that type of news. That freaks markets out. Any uncertainty, right, causes this drama.
I'm surprised there's any green candles at all.
Yeah, I'm actually surprised myself.
Hey, Coach, how long before we get to play with 3.0?
We're working on it every day. Diamonds will probably get a crack at it first, unless it's ready to roll to the general public. Diamonds will get everything first. But we're still testing it. We're close. We're probably a couple days, I'm hoping that, I mean, we're almost there right now. I could roll it out now, but got a couple more small things. I just made 3 more changes this morning to it.
One that I noticed probably like 30 minutes after you, we're seeing an overlap of something that we're trying to get figured out.
Oh, see? Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Coach, what's the authentication app on WAP on the website?
I have no idea.
Yeah, well, I can't get into the website because it keeps telling me I need an authentication app.
Oh, that open up a help desk ticket.
Okay, we'll do.
Yep. Yeah, open it with them though, because that's their stuff.
On their end, right.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. What do you need over there? Because everything is on our Discord now, unless you're trying to buy membership.
That's I think my membership's probably coming up next month, if I'm not mistaken. I was trying to see when it was up.
Gotcha.
When it was set for renewal.
I got you. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can look that up too, though. So if you open a help desk ticket with us, we can tell you exactly when it renews.
I got you.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. But if
Thank
it's authentication, it's them. Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, 55-54 again. Still sitting here. So what this will look like is if it goes higher than here, long, shorter here, short. You see how I put these little visual cues on here? Kind of preps my mind for it, so I'm ready when it's time, right?
Getting prepared.
Yep. That way, if it bounces around and does all sorts of stuff, so what? I'll be ready. Good morning. Thank you, everybody over on TikTok. Thank you for those follows. I see you. Thank you for the gifts. Dave, Alex, Nat, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just anticipating this to flush, but again, no bias. Trade the trade, right?
Right.
Yeah, we're just in this consolidation area. And most of the reason why I did that is because it flushed so hard for so long, and then people bought it up, and now it's an indecision area. That's all this is. So I'm just looking for this to flush down. But if you get positive news and they're like, hey, all power's back, this is going to go boom to the upside, right? Why? Because it was a rocket ship before that news event. Why? Earnings all week. Why? Because I told you. What do you mean why? What are you asking why again for? How many whys are you going to get out of me? Stop it.
I think you're getting consolidation because they just want to know more. That's
Correct. Yep, just indecision. It's always indecision off this.
Sounds like a wise guy.
Yeah, stop being a wise guy. You see? Just waiting for this nice setup. Now I'm going
It's
to
like a
move.
stare down contest with a 2-year-old.
It is. It is. Made you
Who's
blink.
gonna blink?
Yeah, made you blink.
Made you blink.
Yeah. Oh, while I have you all in here, everybody, congratulate the entire moderation team. We met one of our main metric target sales goals. All of my moderators will be receiving a bonus on the next pay period. Every moderator, we have, I think, 17 moderators, all are getting a bonus. Nice job. If I
They
had
deserve every penny of it.
Thank you. If I had some sort of clap machine, I would run it, but instead you will get a manual, low budget, real live clap.
Is there a moderator for a day?
No, but
All
I
right,
like.
we'll take it, Coach.
Yeah, but I like the way you're thinking. Here we go. If I can get a break and hold up here. Now, you guys and gals that are looking at wait for the break of VWAP, break and hold of VWAP, right? I would 552 for SPY to long. I would not look at it before that. Don't try to do it now, okay? Don't do it now. Be patient.
I totally agree with that.
Yep. Yeah, just be patient. Wait, because what could happen is it'll try to spike up, right? You'll have everybody there to sell off. Boom, it'll drive it right back down, and we'll be looking at new low of days, and you guys will be like, oh, wait a minute. If it breaks up and holds, have at it. Still consolidating. I could short this for a quick buck, but the 9 and the 21 are starting to close together, so I don't want to short it here. It's going to give people confidence to go long when that starts to happen, so I've got to be patient. It's coming up. I'm going to get in a... Nah, I'm going to wait just a second. I almost got in a quick long, but it's just too close to VWAP here. Not doing that. That'll be the second they'll rip your face off trying to play that game. Still looking to short this sucker.
Google's breaking through it.
Upside or down? Google's doing
Downside.
what? Downside.
Downside.
Thank you.
Down.
Thank you. I'm going to try to get in a small one. Looking for it to flush here, but put in my stop.
Yeah, I don't trust it to the upside yet. I
No,
just don't.
me neither. I'm going to put in a quick stop.
Google just broke through a mini triple bottom and pulling pretty hard.
To the downside. Okay, thank you. Let me look at the Qs. Oh yeah, Qs are underneath VWAP. Dangerous. Telling you, it won't take much to flush this market to the downside. Everybody be cool. Just have your stops in no matter what you're doing, right? We're looking for a liquidity sweep, aka resistance up here on the top, so be careful.
I mean, you know how it works. If the Bulls aren't going to run with it, the Bears are going to play with it.
Yep, for sure. I might have too tight of a stop here, but that's okay. I'm all right. I'm in small enough.
Tesla's starting to look, hey, coach.
Yeah, Tesla's starting to look heavy. Is that what you said, partner?
Yes, sir.
Yep. SPY just broke through my upside. SPY now on VWAP. And by the way, when somebody finds out news that the power's been restored, we need to know ASAP.
Coach, I did see a headline that said they could take up to 6 to 10 hours.
Okay,
That
thank
was
you.
at 8 o'clock.
Thank you. We're at VWAP right now on SPY. So we're starting to get a lot of nice momentum off it. 20 seconds on this candle on the 1 minute for SPY.
SPY is like hold my beer. It's weird.
Yeah, it's real weird considering the Mag 7 is getting hammered.
Yeah. Gianni is posting in the chat that they've rolled out cyber attack and they are getting power up in some regions.
Thank you. Careful the buzzwords. SPY up here on VWAP. I like that candle though. See if she can hold. Put my stop in place in case it decides to knife drop up here on this little ceiling. I'm playing a dangerous game being in this spot. And it sold. Yep, it sold right on VWAP, right? Just like freaking clockwork. Should have shorted the hell out of that.
I did.
Yep, right off of VWAP.
Indices are flat. I figured channel trades where I'm at.
Yep. I tried to get a little overzealous.
Apple new low.
Thank you.
We said it. We don't trust the upside.
Not at all. Look at Apple here flushing out. New low a day
They
on
all
Apple.
doing it. All flushing.
New low a day on Apple.
Tesla is going to that double bottom right now.
I see a Tesla double bottom right now. SPY out of nowhere climbing. SPY is crazy. SPY's losing.
I don't want to touch SPY right now. It's just like, ugh.
SPY is going crazy.
Yeah, all three EMAs are on top of each other, and it's bouncing between that and VWAP. Terrible setup.
Yeah, it's wild. Wild ride here. Hit that 551 exactly again on SPY.
Yeah.
For the bounce.
Like I still think we're stuck between a 550.67 and 552, like you were saying.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, this is getting a big launch upside.
Yep. See if we can hold this one.
Yeah, that's a nice move to the upside there, but then now we're at that 552. This is that 552, 551 channel. That was such a strong 1 minute candle before this. See it there, Palm? See it there, Palm?
Yeah, I hit it. I'm counting on the channel trade, so I hammered puts. I know it's above VWAP, but I'm playing the channel.
Yep. Up and down, right?
Yep. Until it breaks, one of those, I'm just going to keep hammering that channel.
Yeah, SPY is erratic right now.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I'm not touching that thing.
552 long and above, 551 short and below for those of you that are waiting, right?
Yeah, I mean it's kind of good that it's trying to find support on those on the EMAs all bound up there. But we'll see if that holds right here.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I'd like to see a dump right here make new low. Since it pushed its way all the way back down again. It's
got to push through that spaghetti plate right there.
Yep. Right on that 551 again. $551 bounce. Look out. Just loving that spot.
Hold it right there and flipped it to the upside. Okay, I'm done with it now. It's too close.
Yep. And that candle didn't keep pushing it.
Yep.
I'm staying in this short.
Now I'll wait as long as it takes.
Yep. Yeah.
Single candle scalps, no nothing.
Yep. Just look for that break of 551. If you get that to break down through there, you should be set for a nice low.
Does that 1030 thing mean anything, Coach?
Which one is today?
Well, like it was low at 10 o'clock and now it's at 1030 and it looks like it's not holding.
Thought there was something today, but still waiting right here, gang. Just looking for this to flush. It's on that same 551 though.
And on ES, it's on the 5555555.
Yep, 55, 56 on ES. Every level that I told you guys about a half an hour ago, though, right? Maybe an hour ago.
Within 0.1%.
Yep.
Thank you for your voice.
Just looking to get this thing to flush out. Goes. Right there, below that 551 downside. That's what you're looking for. Wait for the break and hold. Nice flush.
Scalpers should pay for their diamonds now.
Yeah, for sure. Looking good. See if this will sit down there and give us a new low.
Mara's got a first EWO 2-minute. Red to
Downside.
green.
Thank you.
Red to green.
Thank you. Good call out. Nice, nice. There's your confirmation candle downside. SPY below 551. Everybody saw it, right? Good job.
We get that little
Yes,
support at
Coach.
567 though.
Yeah, now I've got my next level is at 550.50.
That's mine too.
Yep. Holding these shorts though, because it consolidated for a long time, so there's a ton of momentum here. Beautiful trade. Oh my gosh. Who's still in this?
Me.
Yeah,
I
this
am watching the 9 and VWAP on ES,
Me
Coach.
too, Coach.
coming
I
up
got
on.
it exactly when you said it.
Nice job. Watch the double
I'm
bottom.
still in it.
Watch the double bottom when you get close to this. What is this?
550. Yeah.
Yep. Be careful.
5540 critical on ES.
Taking half off. If it breaks that level, I'll add. Otherwise, I collected half. Beautiful pull. Like I said, looking for the market to pull there still, right? Nice job. Double bottom. Can hold this for just a little bit. I'm in such a good position that I don't mind sitting in this spot, right? That's the beauty of getting in good. It buys you time.
549.50 was a little bit stronger area.
Yep. Yep. Because I see 540. Yep, exactly. Because 549.66 is the low. See it?
Yep.
So yeah, good call.
It was trading around that on Friday, but
Yeah, nice job. There it goes. This is beautiful. Come on, baby. Keep going.
Come to
said-
mama.
Like I said, I'm in such a good spot that I don't really care if it bounces and moves around, even on the double bottom.
yeah, I picked that double bottom pretty quick.
Yep, yep. Right there's resistance.
Yep. Sold it.
Me too.
That's awesome. You guys are a bunch of geniuses.
Waiting for the next setup again.
Yep, I just added a short there. Waiting, waiting. I'm still in a good spot for it. Holding 2 now. Still holding. If it breaks that key level, I'll get rid of 1 now. Now look at it up there on VWAP. On ES anyways, not on SPY.
Well, call as support, put our resistance, right?
That's right. Who got that double bottom bounce? Perfect executed call out.
Hell yeah.
Good job. By the way, you guys are hearing one of our moderators in here did a $1.2 million day last week. Very nice. Right off of all of this training you guys are all getting in the same room. Call him the executioner because he executes the trade so properly.
But his humility will fool you, Coach.
That's right. Up here on VWAP, looking for a pullback here. Be careful. So everybody loves the double bottom bounce, but you've got to watch VWAP when it bounces. Let me get in a quick short off this area.
That would be a $10 range on ES, Coach, from the 55.40.
Right.
If we can catch a breakthrough to the downside, then we've got another support around 5. Where is it here? 547.70.
Yeah, I'm just looking for this pullback right here now. So everybody be cool. Who's making money today, by the way? Open your mics. Let the whole world know. 400 people in here. Who's making money today? Talk to me.
I am.
Yeah.
I am, Coach.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Good job.
Working on it.
Thank you.
Bulls aren't trying too hard today. Inevitably, somebody's going to try to stuff that if they don't do something with it.
Correct. Yep. They just stuffed that on me right there. Double bottom bounce. Still riding. Still going. Good job. Thank you over there on TikTok, everybody that's watching. Thank you for all those gifts, the follows, the shares. I appreciate it. Don't forget, make sure you guys tip the moderation team if you would, please. If you made any money, you learned anything, head on over to Tips Moderators. Show them some love. If you're able to give your waitress $30 because they brought you a ketchup, you might be able to tip the people that are helping us to make hundreds of millions of dollars. That'd be great. Thank you. At 10:37, still making moves here in the market. Who was excited about getting those diamond lifetime memberships for 5K last week, by the way? I did that 2 days. Did you guys like that, or was that just a ridiculously stupid sale?
Tremendous, tremendous. Been waiting for it, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing it.
Absolutely. Nice, beautiful double bottom bounce. What's my favorite trade in the business? Tell me. Double tops, double bottoms.
Double top, double bottom.
That's right.
Yep.
Tesla did the exact same thing. So did Apple.
Meta did it, Amazon did it, Nvidia did it.
Nice.
Yeah. All that support.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Textbook.
And TSL at a bigger percentage than Tesla. Ah.
Evil, that double bottom was off of the market low, came back, bounced. Now we're just set up looking for the next move. So what I would do on that double bottom is, right, we always do calls on support. So we long that. I would have shed at VWAP because VWAP is a critical area. The fact that it pushed through, I could have added or just held my position. And now I'm looking to see what it wants to do here, right? So we take off on those major critical areas or pullbacks. You don't necessarily have to take half at VWAP. I would. Just because if it pulls back, I don't want to give it all back, right? Then I can look at adding or just holding, and or now I move my stop up. You can see that it's consolidating on VWAP, right? So that's why I always like to take my positions at major areas like that. It's always about locking in the profits. You don't have to have home run hits. You just want to have nice small base hits, right? You can lock in a bunch of profits. And if you get into a great runner, leave it alone forever. If it runs for hours, leave it alone, right? If you get nervous, you start to sweat, collect some of those profits and then just leave a small amount. Let it do all the work for you. Let that tool, right? Your money is the tool. Let it work. Let it keep going.
Yeah,
Nice pullback. Does everybody see why I said, right, to collect that VWAP? Anybody? Bueller?
Anybody?
Yeah, anybody listening out there in Radio Land?
Still collecting, Coach.
Thank you. Wasn't that a perfect setup?
Perfect 3-candle reversal.
Yes. Double bottom bounce right to VWAP. Pull back. That's why I'm saying it's textbook, gang, right?
Just sold it.
Yeah, nice job. Good
Love
job.
channel days.
Yep. Back to that same level of support that we hit before, 550.50, right? Taking half. To 5, same thing. 550.50. Isn't that what we had marked?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. If I would
You just
follow
gotta
my
be
own
able to
rules
execute.
today.
Coach, I mean, you talked about it before. It's you got to be able to execute on those points.
Correct.
You know,
Yeah, and think about it. If you do it on all these little spots, I mean, you're making little bits of money over and over and over, right?
Yep. Low risk, high reward setups, and if you get stopped out on one or two, no big deal.
Yep.
Because it's such a tight stop. What's the risk?
Yep, absolutely.
You called out 10 or 12 trades this morning. All of them were low risk, high reward setups, and even if realistically, I don't think hardly any of them would have gotten wicked out.
Yeah, none of them yet. Yeah, because they've all been strong candles.
Even at 10%, you still wouldn't have gotten wicked out on any one of those calls you made.
Yep.
And I know because I know because I was in all of them.
That's right. Yeah, you're over there collected. The collector. Another name for you, the collector. He's collecting the stock market souls of the people that can't listen.
Yep. And if you're waiting so long to try to get confidence in the direction that it's going on a channel day, the trade's over with by the time you're thinking about getting in.
Correct.
And then it's reversing on you, and then you're saying you got chopped up instead of listening to what you're saying.
That's right.
You know.
That's correct. And then here we are on VWAP again, right?
Yep.
Same drill. Now it came back fast though, right? My rule is when it comes back fast, it's got more momentum this time, right? So typically I would have immediately shorted that, but because it came back so fast, I would not.
And stuff like that is the wisdom of decades of training.
Correct.
So when, candle resilience and how fast it retraces. Did it fully retrace? A portion
That's
of
right.
it retrace.
That's right. And then what are the candles doing? And then do we have any patterns that will follow where people will actually do something different with it? And then what's the volume look like, right? Where are they stacked up? How much does it mean? What was the technical analysis that drove us to what we're doing? Is there any? What time in the day is it and why? Like all these little variables, right?
Green time.
Yep, I agree. Yep, like I said, came back up there pretty quick. Had a nice move. Apple 2-minute EWO. You guys are coming back up to VWAP. You can see SPY is getting nice. Yeah, look at that. Now, see, typically before when we hit VWAP, right, we would have been like, oh, let's pull that back right here. Wrong. Not on this spot. Not the way it got there. Not how fast it returned. You got momentum upside, so you've got to pay attention to some of these changes, right?
Yeah, coach, take a look at Meta over VWAP. If it goes over VWAP, I think that thing's going to fly today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's pushing the same thing that Apple's doing over there. Yeah, if you can get a strong push. Well, listen, guys, this market would have been green today. Had there not been that global news, the market would have been beautifully green, right? That's where we were heading.
100%.
Yep, that's where we were heading. Funny how that happens. Weren't we talking about that this morning?
You mean that events can overrule technicals?
That, and they'll do everything they can, right? Get this thing pushed back down so you can get the hell out of them shorts. Quick, push that news. It was probably like 30 houses in Portugal that went out. The entire country is gone. Be like, no, dude, 2 houses on this block went out. A transformer blew, but okay, short it. Right? Short it all. France is without power. It was one restaurant. Calm down. The whole thing, short it. That's the power of media. Media is crazy.
I believe you called out 5561, coach, on ES is critical.
Thank you. What is go? No, did my Weeble just freak out again?
Coach, Meta first candle in the 2-minute EWO.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. It's almost time for me to shut down.
Bark, bark.
Bark, bark. Don't forget, Mark is going to be here live from 2 to 4 o'clock for futures. Then we're live again at the aftermarket. So you'll see us in the aftermarket at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
Oh my gosh, I know him.
I know that guy. Thank you all again for being here. Apple pushing up on that VWAP on the 200. Or I'm sorry, VWAP on the 2-minute, first 2-minute EWO green. Doesn't mean anything yet. You guys are still on VWAP.
Coach, TSLL on the triple bottom.
Thank you. What the? Trying to get my mechanics working off this laptop. Anybody make any money today?
Hell
Yes.
You know it.
Good job.
4% total account, Coach.
Oh my gosh, nice work. That's glorious.
3 days in a row.
Oh, wow. Now, did everybody follow the rule, which was small position size and only 1 to 5 trades per day?
Yes, sir.
It came close.
Thank you.
Smaller 2 trades.
Did everybody follow that rule last week? I'm just curious how your trading happened after that.
Yep, keeping it small, coach. 1 to 5 trades a day. 3 to
Good.
5 rather.
Good job. Are you guys noticing a major difference in your trading doing that?
Yes, for sure. It's a lot less stressful.
Yep.
Yep.
Good job. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Diesel Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you to all my oh gosh, look at this thing crash out. I'm over here looking at another screen.
Good thing we didn't get in early on Apple.
Look at the, yeah, that's why I said, right? There's nothing to worry about. I told you it's on VWAP. Nothing to panic about, right?
Yeah, it just looks like a liquidity sweep there, Coach.
A liquidity sweep. This is a liquidity
It's just
sweep.
resistance, that's all.
Exactly. It's resistance. Yep.
That's not much. That's not a liquidity sweep. That's
No,
just
it's
on
a
resistance.
55.63 double top pullback if you guys look at it, right?
Yep.
And on SPY, it's a 552 double top, which is exactly where we've been saying for hours. Pullback.
Working the channel.
Yep, working a channel. And again, thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We love and appreciate you every day. We honor you. Same with all of my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Come on, baby. There it is. I heard it faintly. Thank you. Listen, you guys have an amazing day. Appreciate everybody being here. Don't forget, take advantage of those super sales. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com right now. You guys can join the Discord for free. Click on pricing or scroll down. Make sure you verify your account within 24 hours or the system will kick you off. Does that by default to make sure you're not some bot account. Remember, we will never friend request, never send you a direct message, whether it's on social media, on Discord. That's not us. If you need help, open up a help desk ticket by going over to that free area.
Coach, see ya.
You got it.
Yep. I received that blessing, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. I got all the sales posted in YouTube for you.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
You got it, man. Be safe.
You guys are awesome.
Texas Instruments is pulling pretty hard. Nobody really cares about that other than that it's making socks on socks S move.
Oh, nice. Good call.